Here's how you can wash your rice. Now, growing up in a Pakistani household, my mom always told me to wash the rice. Let's grab a large mixing bowl in the sink and add in your rice. I'm using a long grain basmati rice, which is pretty much all we use here. And now just fill it up halfway with cold water. And with both hands, you want to lightly scrub the rice grains against each other to remove some of the excess starch. Just be careful not to scrub too hard, or else you may break the rice grain in half, which kind of defeats the purpose of long grain basmati rice. After the first wash, you'll see that the water becomes quite cloudy and you can't really see the rice grains. Now you want to carefully pour out the water while making sure none of the rice grains slip through, and repeat the process. Fill it up with cold water and wash it well. Now, one of the main benefits of washing your rice is to have a fluffier product at the end. Now, in a lot of Pakistani dishes, it's usually common to have fluffy basmati rice as opposed to something short grain or clumped up together, as you may find in some East Asian countries. So as you rinse and repeat, you'll notice that at the end, the water's going to kind of look like this. It's a bit clearer, you can actually see the rice grains, and at this point you can just leave it soaked for about a half an hour, and then you're ready to cook. Give it a try.